Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my leathercraft channel. Today I'm going to go over the main options for skewing leather, that works, what doesn't, and the pros and cons of different tools and machines. Everything I will share comes from my personal experience. So let's get started. For me, skiving is mostly needed when working with T-shaped pockets. Number 1, skiving knife. Here I have one with an angled blade. Usually there are 3 types of skiving knives, straight, angled and round edged. I haven't used the round type, but between straight and angled I definitely prefer angled. It makes slicing easier. This method takes time and practice because it's very easy to cut through your piece if you are not careful. You also need to sharpen the blade often to keep it extra sharp. Still, this knife is irreplaceable when you need to slice straps at the angle. It's a must-have in your tools arsenal. Second option is replaceable blade knives. These cheap versions from AliExpress use replaceable razor blades. At first they look like a good idea, but in reality they don't work well, like many cheap shit from AliExpress. You have to replace the blades often. I ruined a lot of pockets by accidentally slicing off too much. Honestly, I don't recommend them at all. Better invest in a decent skiving knife or a French skiver. And here we go to the third option is a French skiver. This was actually the last skiving tool I bought, but in my opinion it's the best option for T pockets. It's affordable, compact, easy to use, quick and simple to maintain. Definitely a must-have tool. Mine is from Palo Santo factory, 8mm wide. It cost around $100 including shipping, but it's a high-end tool and works perfectly. I now use it on every pocket, either to finish after machine skiving or even for full job. Sharpening is also simple, just use a leather strap of the same width, glue it to a base and pull the skiver across it a few times. If you decide to buy one, don't go cheap, save up for a good quality French skiver. I really don't see any downsides, for me it's all positive. And lastly, skiving machine. For T pockets, the fastest option is definitely a bell skiving machine. It's easy to use and the main advantage is speed. If you are earning money from leathercraft, it's worth having because time is money. But it does have some cons. You need extra space for it in your room. It can do everything. For curved pockets, you still need to touch up with another tool, usually a French skiver. It has a limited skiving depth. For horizontal wallets it's fine, but for vertical it's not enough, so again you will need to finish with a French skiver. The good thing is that it comes with an integrated sharpening stone, which makes maintaining the blade sharp simple. And also I want to touch on a kind of leather splitters like this one. For narrow straps up to 3-4 centimeters wide it works quite well, but for wider strap it requires too much force which stretches the leather. It's also inconvenient to sharpen. You need to remove the blade, sharpen it and then set up it again. It works for straps or ends of the thick belts, but if you are thinking of using it to split leather for wallets, it's not suitable. With just those two, you can handle T-pocket skiving very well and fairly quickly. That's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope this helps. Your questions and feedback are always welcome in the comment section. I'm one-man army, so if you did like to support my channel, you can check out my crafts and PDF templates at my webshop estherhandmade.com. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye.